Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate C++ polymorphism. Pointers to the derived classes are type compatible with the pointer to the base class. C++ can automatically choose the correct derived behaviors of the objects. People is a base class. It has the virtual method take action. The virtual methods in the base class can be redefined in the derived class. It's also a pure virtual method with the equal 0, therefore it has no definition. Student is a derived class from the people class. It has its own actual implementation of the pure virtual method from the class people. Similarly, worker is also a derived class of the people class. It also has its own separate implementation of the pure virtual method from the class people. Take action. These two pointers pointing to the base class people, but the two objects still behave differently and correctly due to polymorphism. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.